Hi, I'm Michelle Wishoun, and I'm here with Ken Reed today.
Hey, Michelle.
I kind of feel like I need the introductions. You see more of Ken than you do of me.
You're right.
So
It's usually Bennett doing this.
It is.
We decided to change it up a little bit
That's
today,
right.
so.
But I'm happy to be here. So regardless. We have lots of tracks at our summit, lots of great tracks at our summit. So today, Ken is going to talk to us about his track, Achieving Excellence and Reliability.
Right. Yeah. So, like Michelle said, we got a lot of different tracks, and again, it's going to be in March. So make sure it's on your calendars, right? March 9th through the 13th. And my particular track is going to be taking care of a lot of stuff on instant investigation, reliability, equipment reliability kind of things. And we have a lot of really good speakers that are set up this year to do that.
Oh, we do.
So I'm really excited to kind of talk through it. This is the best track. So
it is.
Make sure that you're all signed up for this track because you don't want to miss out.
Yes.
So I thought what we were going to do is I thought I'd just go to the website and just kind of scroll through some of the things that we're going to be working on and kind of show you where on the website it is.
Yep.
And kind of show you exactly what the speakers are going to be talking about. So we're going to shift down here and take a look at that. What I've got here, I've got our TapRooT Summit website set up here. And this is our the registration site, and this shows the full schedule of the entire summit. And if you wanted to look at some of those other tracks, you can up here. That's up in the top here. But if you just want to look at a specific one, you can just come and select a particular track. And I'm just going to select the Excellence and Reliability track. And that shifts a few of these. You don't see much change initially, but down near the bottom, a bunch of the things change in here.
Yes.
So what I want to get started on is just, we have our normal things that you'll see. We have our keynote speakers that we'll have throughout the day. We'll have lunch, obviously. You don't want to miss lunch. But we have our specific sessions that are set up in here. And we're going to have several of them in here. I'm going to start down here, down in the best practice sessions down here. We're going to have a management best practice session. This one's really cool. It's going to have Jack Frost and Joel Solomon are going to talk.
Perfect.
Yeah, some guys with a lot of experience with big companies on how to get your management involved.
Yep.
And how to get them on board with what you're looking at and what you're talking about. How to get them wanting to use TapRooT and understanding the value that they get out of TapRooT. So there's a lot of really good stuff that those guys are going to be talking about there. We have another best practice session coming up talking about, again, management, but this point is specifically pointed at costs. When I'm talking to customers, they're trying to think in their mind about why it makes sense to have a TapRooT investigation team. And everything costs a little bit of money, obviously, but some things cost a lot more. And showing your management team why it really is not very expensive to have a proactive program in place. They have some great ideas and some thoughts on how to talk. You can talk to your management about that. Weatherford, Sean Holden's going to come in and talk to us about specifically something that Weatherford's done. He's got some really cool stuff that he's going to talk about. I'm not going to kind of get on top of that and let him get into it. But he's got some really good stuff to talk about.
They've done a lot of great things at Weatherford.
Weatherford has been a terrific customer, a great partner for us, and we're really looking forward to seeing how they've progressed over the last few years as they brought TapRooT fully on board.
Yep.
And that's really it for Monday. I'm sorry, for Wednesday. That's our main items for Wednesday. We have some really good keynote speakers. This is Don McMillan, if you haven't seen this guy.
Yeah, I'm interested in that one. I can't wait.
Yeah, he's terrific. Back over on Thursday then, we're going to, again, get into some of our best practice sessions. And again, we'll have some keynote speakers. Jim Weatherby, astronaut that was here last year.
Yep, he was popular.
He was really popular.
Yeah.
So he's going to be here again this coming year. But specifically in the reliability track, the best practice reliability track, we're going to have some more success stories. And again, I don't want to kind of break the surprise on this. They just have some really great ideas on how they've been successful implementing TapRooT and bringing it on board and making sure that it's being used properly at their companies.
It's a great session for takeaways.
It is, yeah.
Yep.
These best practice sessions, exactly right. These best practice sessions are some of the best ways to really see how other 300-400 other TapRooT users are being successful using the system.
Good ideas. There's lunch.
Yeah, don't miss my lunch. You're right. You know I have to have lunch. I have to eat. Our next session is a little bit more specific in the manufacturing arena, looking at how TapRooT can be used in the manufacturing side. And specifically, these guys are going to talk a little bit about how to use TapRooT in the quality piece.
Oh, good.
Instead of just looking at the safety things, which so many of our customers rightfully so think about, but man, there's a lot of other things to use TapRooT for.
Yep.
And both Derek and Tammy have been extremely successful bringing into a manufacturing environment and their quality programs.
Awesome, yeah.
Yeah, so Kevin McManus, he comes up with the coolest ideas every year.
He does.
And
He does.
This is going to be taking a look at how to make your meetings more effective. I'm sure I can talk to everybody out there, and they're all shaking their heads about, oh, another meeting. Another meeting. And Kevin's got some great ideas on how to make sure that when you have a meeting, which you have to, but make sure they're not a waste of your time. Make sure that you're getting effectiveness out of them and get rid of all the fluff out of your meetings and make sure that you're actually able to get things done.
Right, perfect.
Renee Jourdain, she is going to be, again, sharing some more lessons learned with us. And gosh, she always has some great stuff.
Yes.
I'm not going to dive in there too much. She is a great speaker, a great conversationist.
She is,
and,
yeah, she's fun.
She's a lot of fun.
Yes.
So I'm really looking forward to her session, so we don't want to miss that one. And then on Friday, so this one is not this Roadmap to Success. This is not unique to my track, so this isn't all the tracks. But we experimented with this last year, and we got some terrific response.
It's very popular.
From this. Yeah, so
Yes.
this gives you the opportunity to talk to us, and give us some feedback on what would work best for you, and we can then help you build a great plan for when you get back on exactly how to implement and where your weaknesses are, where your strengths are, and how to get us to help you where we can. So I know you were involved
It's a
with
great
several of
tool,
those last
great
year.
tool,
Yep.
yes.
So we'll have those, and you'll be able to take that back with you when you get back, when you leave the summit, these roadmaps on how to get going. So.
And during this session, you'll work with a TapRooT person. So there'll be a group of attendees and then a TapRooT person to work with. So if you have any questions during the session that come up, we're right there.
Yeah, this is your opportunity to get some real one-on-one with us as the staff. And again, I think it's almost as important for us
It is.
to understand what you need.
Absolutely.
So that we can make sure that we're giving you the support that you need and anything that's going to help you be successful when you get back.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
so well, that's the big stuff. We also have, I'm not going to get too deep into the main sessions here. Those I think we're covering in a different talk here. So I don't want to get too far into those, but we're having some really good keynote talks this year. So I don't want you to miss those either. But those mixed in with the session talks,
Yeah.
it's going to be
It's going
outstanding.
to be another great year.
Yeah, this is one of my favorite places again here in Austin.
Oh, yes, mine too.
We had it here, what,
Beautiful.
3 years ago, maybe 4?
I think 3.
3 years ago, I
Yeah.
think. And this was one of our favorite places
Yeah.
to go for the summit.
amazing.
It really
It's
is.
amazing.
The weather's nice. It was nice to sit outside. They've got some great areas to sit out and just bond with people and talk. And it's just a really nice area
It
there.
is.
So.
Love it. Can't wait.
Yeah, and I guess they've done some renovations there this
They
year.
have.
So
And I don't know what they needed to renovate.
I don't know. When they said they did renovations, I was trying to picture
What
they
did
would
you
have changed. So I'm really looking forward to it this year.
Yes,
So.
yes, I am too.
Well, I think that's about it, what we wanted to show today. Again, when you want to register, you just go to taproot.com and go to the summit. There's a summit link. I think that's like in 8 different places you can get there on the website. Go to the registration site. You'll be able to pick which sessions you wish to go to. Of course, it'll be the Achieving Excellence and Reliability session.
Yes,
I think that's the one you want to go to. But you'll be able to pick whichever sessions you wish. In fact, you can mix and match between different sessions if you want to and kind of customize your experience. So please go to the Summit website now. It's not that far away.
Oh, it'll be here before you know it.
It's the middle of November.
Go ahead and register. Get it over with now.
Yep, get it done and get yourself online, get your budget set up and make sure everybody knows who's coming. Get those people that you want to give a good deal to, get those guys signed up to the summit. Get your teams.
Get
If
your
you have
teams.
A team of, we have some deals for people with up to 10 or so,
10,
right?
yes.
We can get you a room to get together and have maybe your safety meeting or your quality meetings right at the summit if you wish. So.
And you get your discount.
And you get your discounts for that
So
too. That's
get
right.
your teams.
That's right. So I think that's what we've got. So,
That's it, yes. So just make sure you register. Thank you for watching us, and we look forward to seeing you. I probably won't be here, but next week somebody will.
Bye-bye.
Bye.